Take a picture real quick. What about the Sir Cruz? You already know what it is. Rest of the world. Come on my page talking crazy. I'm gonna block you. Welcome to Mr. William Cruz channel. I haven't uploaded on here in a minute, but for everybody that's watching this video, hit this like button as you hear my voice speak. Follow me on Instagram at Mr. William Cruz. That's my backup page, and that's the page that's related to this YouTube page. And follow my main Instagram as Real Sir Cruz. My main Instagram is Real Sir Cruz. My backup is Mr. William Cruz. Now today we talking about me and me being a businessman and me, just listen to the video. Whatever the video is going to be called, you will get the point as I start to speak. Now, let's talk about being an ambassador on the internet. This video is basically about being an ambassador versus being a promoter. And what I've come to realize throughout the past 3 years, or I've been on Instagram since like 2014, but the last 3 years is like some stuff I've been gathering. Now, an ambassador is basically a person that receives products in return for doing a review, a review and promoting the company or the brand, right? Now, a promoter is somebody that just promote the product. That's it. They not subject or tied down to a brand or anything. They just a promoter. Now, this is the thing. Now, I've come to realize that I make more money being a promoter than an ambassador, right? So I'm just gonna be straightforward. Now, I've let's see who I'm only an ambassador or was. I don't know what my situation is with them. I don't know what's going on, but for the Durag company, so many ways, right? Sir Cruz was the ambassador for them. I don't know if I am or not. I don't know because I don't know how they run things, but the communication is very bad. But they Durags is top notch though. Let's not get that twisted. The Durags is top notch number one, but I never talk bad about nobody. It's just, they treated me well when I went down there and all of that. They paid for this and paid for that. But other than that, it's just like, I ain't gonna get into all of that. But they not bad people. None. It's just the communication is it's just like a relationship. The communication off, everything falls off. But with being an ambassador, I made a certain amount. But being a promoter, I make much more. Let's say like last month, the numbers is about to get real nasty and ugly and embarrassing for me, but it is what it is because I don't really promote it like that. Now am I still recording? Now being an ambassador, last month I made like $66, right? Now let's fast forward to a promotion on Instagram. I made like 350 for 4 videos. 350 for 4 videos versus 66 for 1 month. You see what I'm saying? It's more, you make more money being a promoter than an ambassador, but it depends on your status. Your status, it depends on your status. Now, if you're a starter, let's say you got like 1,000 followers, you are an ambassador. You should be an ambassador to build your name up. You got to build your name up to be a promoter first. People people want to mess with people that's gonna help build their brand. I mean, you could build a brand off your 1,000 followers, but let's face it, somebody with 1,000 followers versus somebody with like me with 332,000 followers on Instagram, they're gonna pick somebody like me because I got the numbers, I got the I got the numbers, I got the fan base, I got the following, I got the influence, I got the heavy influence, and so people hear me say something and they see my hair, they like my hair, they gonna automatically buy it. Now I'm gonna tell you why I don't want to be an ambassador for nobody no more. Now being an ambassador, you get a discount code, right? Now you know me, y'all watch my videos, I got a lot of haters. And I've been told that people don't even be using my discount codes. They about to do right, but they don't use they'll use somebody else's discount code. See what I'm saying? They don't use my discount code. So that means I'm missing out on money. I'm missing out on money because people not using my discount code, right? I'm only getting 5% of the sale. If I get somebody may pay $50 for they told them maybe $50, but I get like $5, like $5 out of that. So I got to get at least 300 niggas to buy some do-rags to get a decent amount of change once a month. People already got do-rags, so it's like, they not really buying do-rags like that on the internet, but, I don't know, but I'd rather be a promoter than an ambassador. I could do 2 videos. My promo prices is $25 for one page post for 24 hours. So if I do 5 of that, 25 times what? 4 is what? 25, 50, 75, 100. That's $100 quick. That's $100 just in one day versus my 66 I got from being an ambassador for last month. See what I'm saying? So I'd rather. That's why I don't want to tie myself down to being no ambassador for nobody no more. Because people feel like they could sing you a product and you automatically supposed to do a review and promote their product. Okay, let's say that the do-rags is $5 And let's say I just so happen to get 3,000 niggas to buy your do-rag. 3,000 times 5 is what? That's 15,000. So 15,000 what? And I'm getting 5% of that? I'm getting 3 to 5% of that? Versus you paying for promo 15,000 times. You know, you see what I'm saying? What if you pay me for promo? Like you want to do promo with me 10 times a day. 10 times a day promo versus me getting 5% commission from, monthly. Nah, I ain't doing all that. Nah. So, like I said, everybody watching, build your brand up first before you want to jump to being a promoter. Be smart. Don't settle and be an ambassador, because a lot of people want you to be an ambassador for them, and they feel like they can send you products and you do promotions for free. You only getting 3 to 5% of the sales. Nah, buddy. No, that ain't how I'm rocking, bro. My name too big. I've been on YouTube since 2007. I'm not taking that. So work your way up first. Start off from being a ambassador, and then when you build your brand up more, then you can become a promoter. But other than that, when you got 2,000 followers, you can't really be a promoter. You don't have a big name yet. See what I'm saying? So I got a big following on YouTube and Instagram, so I can afford to do that. That's why. Well, I ain't gonna get into all of that, but like I said, man, everybody watching, be smart about what you're doing. Build your brand up first. That's what I've been grinding doing this whole time. I have every right to be a promoter and not an ambassador. I'm not about to be an ambassador and I have to ask for products and wonder when I'm getting them, and why do the customers have products that I don't have? And nah, buddy, no. I'm not no ambassador for nobody no more. I'm not doing all of that. You want to do promo with me, you better pay me. My promo prices is on my page. So if you want to know my promo prices, go to my Instagram. It's right at the top. I'm not opening no DMs. You send me my money first, and then I promote you. Don't DM me and say how much for promo or I'm ready to do promo. Don't do that. Don't say you're ready for promo. Send it to me. Send me the money, and then send me the money with your Instagram name in there, and then I open your DM, and you tell me what you want me to post. I don't scam nobody out their money. That's one thing I don't do. I'm a businessman, bro. I'm a businessman. I do everything business. I didn't put my work in and teaching and all of that on YouTube. I put my 12 years work in. Now it's time for me to reap the benefits. You see what I'm saying? Reap the benefits. Now y'all take heed to everything I'm saying. Take heed to what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying. I've been around on YouTube for 12 years. I have every right. Am I blurry? I've been blurry this whole time. I've been blurry for 8 minutes. Oh my nails are nasty. But like I said, build your brand up first, man, before you become a promoter. You have to be an ambassador first before you become a promoter. It's just like signing a contract. You know how the rappers don't want to sign no major deal. They want to stay independent. I'm going to stay independent. I ain't about to be no ambassador. You want me to come to your show? Book me and pay me to come there. You want me to promote your product? Pay. My prices is on my page. So like I said, man, everybody watching, leave a comment on this video if you made it to the end. Why am I keep getting blurry? What is going on? But it's all good, man. Y'all get the point of what I'm saying. Appreciate y'all for watching. Follow me on Instagram at Real Sir Cruz. Follow me on Instagram at Mr. William Cruz. Appreciate y'all for watching, man.